Is fasted cardio actually better than regular cardio to burn body fat and get in shape? Now, the answer to this question is going to be a little bit offensive off the gate, so please stay with me through the answer so you understand why. So, the only people that ask this question are people that are not already in shape. And what I mean by that is this. Once you get in shape and maintain being in shape, what you realize is how consistent, boring, repeatable your habits have to be, not only to get in shape, but to stay in shape long term. Because getting in shape and staying in shape are two completely different things. A lot of people can go through a fat loss phase, lose a whole bunch of body fat, get down to a certain weight, but aren't able to maintain it because they don't have the consistent, boring, repeatable habits in place to maintain it. And let me give you an example of consistent, boring, repeatable habits. So like my meals, for example, my meals are 80% of the time the exact same meal. Not because it's like some wonderful superfood or anything else, because it's fast, it's affordable, and it's easy, and I know exactly what macros are in it and what the food is going to do to my body through massive amounts of repetition. Now, I'm not super lean. I can see my top 4 abs and barely the bottom 2. So I'm at about 16% body fat right now last time I tested it. Trying to get down to about 12, and then I'm going to do a lean bulk. So for me, to answer the question, it doesn't really matter if you do your cardio fasted or not fasted, because it's not doing it fasted or not fasted that day that's going to determine if you have body fat. It's the combination of all your consistent habits together that are going to determine if you have a high level of body fat. Meaning how many calories you eat on a daily basis, how much sleep you get, that you lift hard and heavy consistently and are pushing your body to put on muscle, which burns a ton of calories, that you understand that eating whole, natural, single ingredient foods is the best way to both get lean and stay lean, and that you understand that eating for high nutrient profile, particularly protein, is going to result in the type of body that you want to be able to get and maintain. So will doing your cardio fasted really affect how much body fat you have? Maybe, maybe not. And if it does, maybe 5%. Like, it's not gonna matter that much. What actually matters is that you do your cardio consistently and with the type of intensity that makes it so you can do it again the next day. So let me give you an example. So I have people come to me all the time, and I've coached over 3,400 people now, to give you guys a little bit of social proof. So 3,400 transformations, most of which were successful. Sometimes people can't stick to the plan. Sometimes people have life happen. Sometimes people have financial things. Sometimes people quit. But the majority of the people that have ever trained have been able to come out the other side with some pretty amazing results and have been able to get and maintain their goal body weight. So it didn't come down to whether or not their cardio was fasted. Does fasted cardio burn more fat because there's no carbohydrates in the system? I don't really know. And I don't really know if it doesn't also burn some muscle because of that, because there's no carbohydrate calories in the system. So I'm not really willing to risk it, to tell you the truth. But here's what I will tell you, that number one, making sure you eat in a calorie deficit by taking your current body weight. I'm a certified nutritionist, to give you guys some background. So taking your current body weight times 10. So if I was 215 pounds this morning, that's 2,150 calories. That's a pretty severe deficit. And by the way, males should not go below 1,800 calories and females should not go below 1,500 calories. And that's the most severe, so some safety stuff in place. But if I take my current body weight times 10, as long as I eat below 2,150 calories every day, I'm going to lose body fat because I'm in a calorie deficit, period. And that's way lower than most nutritionalists will start you. I usually start clients in between 12 to 14 times body weight for most people. So that's where, if I eat in that low a calorie deficit, I'm going to lose body fat. Then your protein has to be in place next. Whatever you want your goal body weight to be. So if I was 215 today and I want to weigh 200, I need to eat 200 grams of protein a day to be able to maintain and build muscle mass. Easy, period, done. Okay, then you go to the next thing. Is your weight training progressive overload at least 3 days a week, meaning you're always trying to get bigger and stronger. And when I say bigger, ladies, it doesn't mean you're going to have such huge muscles. It means you're going to be lean, defined, and have muscle. It's very, very hard to put on muscle unless you're on a tremendous amount of gear through your doctor. Then most people would be very lucky to put on 5 pounds of muscle in a year. So really, that's with like incredibly hard, consistent training and nutrition. So like lifting hard and heavy makes your body retain muscle, which burns calories, which makes you get and stay lean, right? We're all the way on the right side here so far, okay? Then how much sleep you get a night. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep will allow your body to burn off everything that it needs. It'll allow your body to rest, to heal, to grow. There. Now, all of those things I just mentioned are more important than your cardio. You know what I did when I went from 261 pounds all the way down to 213 pounds? I walked for 30 minutes a day. I got up, I threw on my sweats, I put in my headphones, and I walked out the door. I didn't talk to anybody, I didn't turn my phone on until I was already walking, started my Apple Watch, and I walked. Why? Because it needed to be consistent, and it needed to not be at a time when everybody else's bullshit got in the way of me being successful with it. So does cardio need to be fasted? It doesn't need to be fasted. It needs to be consistent. And it can't be so hard that you can't work out the next day. Here's what I mean by that. If you're like, oh man, I really need to drop this body fat, I'm gonna go do an hour to an hour and a half of Stairmaster right now. If that's not something you're used to, how good are you going to be to do shit the next day? You're not going to be able to do a damn thing. You're going to be on the couch, exhausted, then you're going to eat some shitty food because you're tired and not making good decisions, and then you're actually worse off for wear because cardio only burns calories while you're doing it. Muscle burns calories 24 hours a day. That's why they say it's so much more metabolic to lift weights than it is to just do cardio. So cardio is after all of those things in order of the things that burn body fat, of the 5 or 6 things that I mentioned before it. So before you worry about if your cardio needs to be fasted or not fasted, make sure all that other shit is perfect first. And there is no such thing as perfect. It just needs to be consistent. Like my meals are like protein shake and bagel before the gym. Come home, like 2 Greek yogurts, fruit cut up. Done. Okay, like 2 or 3 o'clock, steak and rice. Like mama and the kids come home, chicken and potatoes or salmon and potatoes, something like that. Usually 1 cup of ice cream at night. That's my meals. And I have what most people would say is a shredded physique, or pretty damn good for a 47-year-old, almost 50-year-old guy physique, that I can have abs, because most people don't. Okay, so that diet is like, when it all goes into my fitness pal, is like 2,100 calories. It's not hard, guys, but you can't make it difficult with these types of questions. So I'm not angry. I sound angry for asking. What I'm angry about is the fact that people are confused because there's so much extra information and misinformation out there that people don't need to worry about to be successful. What really makes you successful, gets you lean, keeps you in the best shape that you want to be in, has nothing to do with whether the cardio is fasted or not. It has to do whether it's consistent and everything else is in place. I hope that answer helped you guys. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.